Shanti. Good afternoon to you all children. So in the last class, very good Richard. So in the last class, I gave you homework in English, masculine gender and feminine gender. So kindly complete that. Those that did not complete, it is in WhatsApp group only. So download that PDF and just complete in your note. Okay. Okay. So in EVS, what I thought in the previous class, what we learned. Tell, tell me. Hmm. Yes, human system we saw. Yes. So, we saw human system that is hey, Jaran, teaching science when you're talking about English. Okay, listen. So in science, what we thought? Human system. So you know what is skeletal system, what is muscular system, what is respiratory system, and what is digestive system. Okay, so in the last class I taught you what is circular system. Circulatory system means heart. Okay, the function that is happening in the heart. So the heart purifies the blood and passes the purified blood through arteries and receives the same impurity blood from other part of the body and makes it pure, and again it passes. So the function is repeated in the heart. So this is called circulatory system. So this we saw in the last class. Then we saw what is excretory system. Excretory system means what? Excretory system means the waste. The waste inside our body is released out in the form of urine. Okay. So that is one. That is one. One example is kidney. Okay. Kidney removes all the impurities from inside our body and send it out in the form of urine. We saw that. Then what about skin? What about skin? What about skin? Skin, how skin will remove the waste? By sweating. By sweating. Yes, the skin will remove the impurities by sweating. Okay, when you work very hard or when you go to the sun or whatever, if you do any hard works, what will happen? All the sweat comes from your body through the skin. Okay, so that is one excretory organ. And then another excretory organ is lungs. So when you breathe in oxygen, you breathe out carbon dioxide. That is impure air. Okay. So the three important excretory system are lungs, kidney, and skin. Very good, Abdul Mizabir. Not heart. Excretory system is three main excretory system. That is lungs, then skin, then kidneys. Okay, the kidney is bean shaped. Have you seen bean? So that is in bean shape. Good afternoon. Next we saw reproductive system. Reproductive system means giving birth to the young one. Okay. Now today we are going to see a new system, that is nervous system. So you know what is nervous system?
Yes. No, ma'am.
No? Do you all have brain? We all have brain, right? So with the brain, with the help of brain, what we will do? With the help of brain, what we will do?
Think.
Yes, you think, you memory, you store things in your mind and you think. Yes or no? Yes,
Ma'am.
okay. For example, if a hot pan, okay, if a hot vessel or if a hot pan is in front of you, will you go and keep your hand in that? No, right. If the pan is very hot, you go and keep your hand there. No, if you keep your hand there, means what will happen? You will get hurt, right? Yes, Eric Zero. Yes or no? Eric Zero is like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if a thing is very hot, the thing is very hot, okay, Sienna, no problem, Sienna. So you listen, okay? So okay, if a pan is very hot, if you keep your hand in the pan, means what will happen? You get hurt. So how you can feel that you are getting hurt? So with the help of brain. So listen, no need of taking the book. First listen to what I say. Okay. So with the help of brain, you come to know that if you touch that, it will get hurt to you. So the brain reminds you. The brain reminds you. So the important function. Yes, Aslam Khan. Don't touch your book. Don't touch your book. Just listen to what I say. Okay. Okay. So brain is the important organ in our body. Okay, it helps to keep your things in memory, as well as it informs you what should be done. Okay, so all the messages from the brain is sent to the parts of the body through our nerves. Okay, the nerves are very tiny thread. Okay, there will be very tiny threads will be connected to all part of the body. They are nerves. Okay, they are nerves. What these nerves will do, this nerves will send information to the brain, and from the brain it receives the information to the body. Okay, nerves will transmit the information from the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for making you
Yes, ma'am.
much knowledge about this, I will show you a video. Okay, so in our brain there is three important part. Okay, one is cerebrum, one is cerebellum, and next is medulla oblongata. Okay, so the three different parts, so that you just look at the video, then you will get some idea about that. Okay, okay children, so all of you mute yourself
Ma'am,
and
you
switch on
say
your
three
video.
now, ma'am. Say again, ma'am.
Cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Okay.
Cerebellum and medulla.
Okay, all of you switch on your video. Switch on your video. Then only I will show you the video. Switch on your video first. Okay, very good. Bhupen, Ancho, Mohammed Ikil, Josh, Islam Khan, Lemuel, switch on your video. Okay, okay, I'll share you the video. All of you look at that video, okay?
Okay.
Mute yourself, mute yourself.
Genius.com. Oh, yeah, it is free.
Do you know how we understand and when
So all of you look carefully. I will ask you the question in the middle, okay?
something is hot or cold, or when something is sweet or bitter? Okay, it is our nervous system, which controls all of our senses, like taste, touch, sight, smell, etc. But do you know what the nervous system is? Okay. Let me explain about the nervous system. The nervous system controls all the actions of our body. It has two parts. The central
So the nervous system has two parts. One is central part, which is at the top, and next is peripheral part. That, can you see this all small silver color thread you can see? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. I am seeing.
That is
That
nerves.
only.
Okay. That is nerves. Okay, that is nerves that sends information from the
Yes,
brain to
ma'am.
other. Okay, listen. This nerves, no, this, can you see this tiny part? This is a nerve. Okay, so that sends information from the brain. If you keep your hand in a hot pan, what will happen? Suddenly you take your hand. So the brain is sending information through this nerves to the hand, and if anything wants to, if your hand want to tell any information, means this will send the same information from the hand to the brain. Okay, so the information is transmitted through the nerves. So there are two types of nerve system. One is central nervous system and another is peripheral nervous system.
nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is comprised of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of many nerves, which are spread throughout the body. Let's first understand the brain, its parts, and what they do. Our brain is the most complicated organ of our body. It has three major parts: the cerebellum, cerebrum, and
What are
brainstem.
the three main parts? Cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Yes? What are three? Yes?
Cerebellum,
What are the three main parts?
cerebellum,
Cerebrum, all of you repeat. Cerebrum, cerebellum. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Medulla. Okay, these are the three main parts in our brain. Okay.
Which is also known as the medulla. The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. It controls our senses, our imagination, and our thoughts. So, whatever we see, touch, taste, smell, think, or imagine is controlled by the cerebrum. The second major part is the cerebellum. It is known as the little brain. It controls our motion, balance, and our ability to learn new things. For example, you can walk without falling because of the cerebellum. Also, it helps with learning any new thing. The third major part is the medulla. It is also known as the brain stem. It does a few things, which are called involuntary actions. It controls our digestion, heartbeat, and breathing. These things happen automatically in our body. We don't have to put any effort here. So now you
Okay,
know
listen.
about the...
So this is cerebrum. This yellow part is cerebrum. This pink violet color is cerebellum, and the small tiny stem is there. No, that is medulla. So the big brain is cerebrum. What this cerebrum will do? This cerebrum will sense all the five organs. Okay. If I keep your hand near your eyes, suddenly you will close your eyes, right? So that brain sends the information. Just close your eyes. So your eyes will close. So this cerebrum controls all the sense organs. Okay. And this cerebellum, the violet color you can see, that what does it do? Helps you to learn new things. Helps you to learn new things. For example, music, singing, dancing. Yes, creative thinking and all will help you, the cerebellum. And next is medulla oblongata. This is a stem. Okay, this helps. What this will do, in our body, heart, kidney and stomach will do various functions. So this is that. Okay. Yes, lungs.
brain. Can you remember it all? Good. The cerebrum is in charge of sensing, thinking, and imagination. Wow, you're right. The cerebellum is also responsible for muscle movement and control, and it also helps us in learning. Great. You're right about the medulla also. It is running our body from the inside. Now, do you want to learn about...
So did you all saw the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, did you understand what is cerebrum, what is cerebellum and medulla?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So, yes, our nervous system has two main parts. Our nervous system has two main parts. That is central nervous system and another is peripheral. Very good. Who said the answer? Who said the answer?
Eric Zero.
Very good, Eric Zero. So our nervous system has two main part. One is central nervous system and another is peripheral. So, okay. Who is that? Mom is that. Okay. Heart will send information and receive transmit information from brain to other parts of the body. Which part helps you to send and transmit information?
Nerves.
Nerves. Okay. What this you saw? No, the nerves is very thread like something thread. It was no like that thread only. It was no. So what these nerves will do? These nerves will transmit information. Okay. For example, if my eyes is open, okay, so I am going closer to my eyes. I will close my eyes. This eyelid will close. How I close my eyes? Because the brain sends information to the eyes. The brain sends information to the eyes and tells to close the eyes. So the eyes will close. Okay. So this all information is controlled in cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum is the big one. Okay, big part in the brain. It's a big brain. And another small part is cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum. What the cerebellum will do? This helps you to think and learn new things. New things. For example,
New things.
new things. Yes, drawing, playing, and all new things. Okay. Next is medulla. What this medulla will do? All other operation that happens in our body is controlled by medulla. Are you clear, everyone? Why are you smiling, Insi? Okay. So very good. All of you take your EVS book. Sorry, science book. All of you take your science book. All of you take your science book. All of you take your science book. Yes. Page number 55. 5555. 5555. Okay, before writing, listen to what I say. Okay, before writing, children, 1 minute listen, 2 minutes. Okay, just listen to what I say. Tomorrow you are having your self-evaluation 2. Okay, self-assessment 2 you are having. So don't forget. Okay, so you are having your self-assessment 2 test. So during self-assessment 2, this week full you will not have any UT. Okay, understand? Okay, wow. Listen again, I'll tell you. Okay, we are going to start our self-assessment 2. So the whole week, this whole week you will be the next whole week you will be having your self-assessment 2. That time there will be no unit test. Okay, are you clear? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Listen. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. இந்த 3 days நீங்க எல்லாரும் யூடி எழுதுவீங்கல்ல, இந்த 3 days யூடி வந்து இப்போ கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? அந்த 1 week மட்டும் இருக்காது. Because நீங்க வந்து செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட் எழுதுறனால இந்த 1 week next 1 week ஃபுல்லா உனக்கு 3 UTs இருக்காது. ஓகேவா? Are you clear? No one should confuse yourself. Okay, so tomorrow you are having your self assessment 2. The first exam is English. Okay, your first, listen. Your first exam is English. Okay, your first exam is English. So at 12 o'clock I will give you. So at 12 o'clock I will give you English revision. Okay. So 12 o'clock I will give you English revision, and 2:10 you will be writing your English test. Along with me you will be writing. Okay. So everyone should attend the class and write the test. Okay. If you not attend, Zoom link kulla varama test எழுதுனா நான் absent தான் போடுவேன். ஓகேவா? Yes. Zoom link open பண்ணி வச்சிட்டு தான் நீ டெஸ்ட் எழுதணும். Okay? Okay children?
Ma'am, it is in flip-flop.
The test will be in flip-flop only. Okay.
Ma'am, then first I have to join with you in the Zoom, and then I have to open the flip-flop and I should write it.
Yes, very good, very good. So for self-assessment test, you should attend the class and then you should open the flip-learn and start writing the test. Okay, ma? Okay, children. So be prepared. Tomorrow you will be having your English revision in the first class, and in the second class you will be having our self test of English. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Now all of you take your science book, page number 55. Science book, page number 55.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Tomorrow you are having English test.
English test ka? And what is the science portion? Ma'am, Friday. What is it started?
Hey, you listen, man. Tomorrow is your English test. Okay. Don't confuse me and don't confuse yourself. Okay.
Ma'am, science portion.
All the portion I have sent it in the PDF in WhatsApp group so that you can see them.
Ma'am, in the RMS.
Science is there. I have given.
Ma'am,
you can check it in WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, is the science table. Social self-awareness test too. Ma'am, science is not there.
Science is not there. Okay,
Yes,
science
sir.
in science portion is unit 3. Okay, unit 3, third and fourth lesson. Unit 3, third and fourth lesson. Okay, Arik Zero.
Okay, ma'am.
Unit 3,
When
unit
will
3
the
lesson.
test start?
That I will tell you. Okay, for tomorrow test you be ready. For tomorrow test, first class will be your revision
Okay,
and second class will be your having your test.
Okay.
Okay. Now all of you take page number 55. All of you take page number 55. Okay, in page number 55, can you see some pictures given? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first picture? What is the first system?
Nervous system.
It
Nervous
is a,
system.
yes, very good. Nervous system. All of you write that on the dash. You write nervous system. Sorry, nervous system.
Completed.
Completed means very good, very good. Those who did not complete, write fast. The first is a nervous system. Then what is the second system?
Skeletal system. Skeletal system.
Skeletal system. Very good. Skeletal system. Okay, then what is the next one?
Digestive system.
Digestive system. Very good. What is the next one? Circulatory system. Very good. Okay, circulatory system.
Ma'am, you're writing for skeletal, you write skeletal.
Skeletal system. Correct only.
Digestive system.
First is nervous system, then next is skeletal system, then digestive system, then circulatory system. Okay, just write. Meanwhile, I'll take your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you mute yourself and write. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Okay. Okay, right first.
Ma'am, this is complete.
Very
Ma'am, I
good,
finished.
perfect.
Ma'am, it is finished.
What about others? Hey, Insi, what are you doing?
Ma'am,
Are you writing?
with the body.
Insi, are you writing? What are you doing?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed already.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm completed.
So shall I rub the board now?
Ma'am, I'm completed.
Okay. Right fast. So write fast.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished. Very good. Nandini is there. Jocelyn Nandini. She's having it.
Ma'am, I am also finished.
Okay. So Aslam Khan, have you completed? Shall I rub the board, Aslam Khan?
Ma'am, I am having poison.
Its body breaks down, put into simple pieces. Very well.
Okay. Shall I rub?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now listen. Guess who am I? You are going to tell me who am I. Okay. In page number 55, read first one. The organ which helps to taste the food. Organs which helps the things to taste. What is the answer? Which organs help the tongue? Yes, tongue. Tongue will help you to taste. So T, you write T as capital. T should be capital. Tongue. First one is tongue. Next one.
The largest sense organ.
Which is the
Skin.
yes, very good. Now turn to the next page. The process by which body breaks down food into simple pieces.
Ma'am,
Hey, no. Process. Not, listen, very good, Alvin. Very good. Listen, I said, read the question again. I asked the process. I didn't say organ. I said process. The process by which the food breaks is digestion. Digestion. First one.
gives care to human body.
The system which
Skeleton.
skeletal system.
Skeleton system.
Skeletal system. Very good. Five. The system which helps the body in movement. The system helps you. Yes, muscular system. Muscular system. Number 6. The organ which act like a pump and transport blood to all parts of the body. Right. Next one, 7th one. The process by which oxygen is taken into the body.
Inhalation.
Inhalation. It's not respiration. So the process, when we inhale air, only the oxygen goes, right? So that is inhalation. 8th one. The system which throws out waste material from the body.
Kidney.
Which system is that? System.
Kidney.
Kidney is the organ. Okay. Which system?
Excretory system.
Very good. Excretory system. The 9th one. Okay. The control center of the body.
Brain.
Brain. All of you write neatly. Jos, are you writing, Jos? Mohammed Safa? Okay. Aslam Khan, are you writing, Aslam Khan?
Ma'am, Jaran John finished.
Very good, Jaron John.
Not finished. Also finished, ma'am.
Very good. Aslam Khan, are you writing?
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes. Those who are writing, write neatly. Jenison, Alvin and all, switch on your video. Jos. Completed, Mohammed Mahabub. Danny. Hemipolin? Hemipolin completed. In C. Tanishka completed. Tanishka.
No, ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Which one you are coming, Tanishka? Which one you are coming? Okay. Okay, children. Now listen. Now Roman letter 3. Look at Roman letter 3. Roman letter 3. The first one. Very good. Look at Roman letter 3, first one. The group of organ is called dash.
System.
Underline system. All of you underline system, and later you can write that. Okay, first you underline the answer. System. First you underline, later you can write in the dash. First you underline.
Ma'am, can I circle it?
Yes, you can circle it and you can underline, no problem. Later you write in the dash. Digestive system gives the body dash to work.
Energy.
Circle energy. Third one. The human body needs dash from air to live. Oxygen.
And third one is
Oxygen. We breathe in air, right? Oxygen. Why do we breathe air? We need oxygen, right? That's why we are breathing in air. Fourth one. Sorry. Fourth one. Fourth one is oxygen. Sorry, children.
oxygen.
And third one. There are dash bones in the adult. How many? 206. Very good. Fifth one. The dash forms the muscular system. Nerves or muscles?
Muscles.
Sixth one. Underline, okay, underline fast. Sixth one. The dash carries messages to and forth from the brain. Nerves. And seventh one. Okay, seventh one. The dash stores out waste material in the form of urine. Kidneys. Number eighth one. The dash system is responsible for producing baby. Reproductive. So underline this all Roman letter 3. Roman letter 3, all the answer you first underline. Later you can write it in the blanks.
Ma'am, now can we write it?
If you complete it means you can write. Yes. Okay, listen. Next class you are having maths, right? So all of you be ready with your maths classwork and all of you be with your maths book. Okay, math magic book. Okay, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you. 2 o'clock you are having class. Be ready with your math magic book.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank
you. Bye. Tomorrow is English test. Okay, tomorrow is English. Unit 3 and Unit 6.
Unit 3, Unit 6. Yes.
Unit 3 and Unit 6. So the portion is already sent in WhatsApp group. You can check it. Okay, the portion is already sent in WhatsApp group. Today again I will send it. So you can see that. Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.